From that point, lead the lady into the dip, bend your right knee, reach with the left leg to the side, then push off the right leg, shifting your weight to the left. Notice that the left knee is bent right away, rotate your body toward the lady and direct your hips forward. Straighten your elbows to lead the lady into the pose. Then pull her out of the pose and rotate your pelvis counterclockwise, straightening your knee. This will allow you to take a step forward with the right leg. During the dip, it's important not to lean over the lady. Contrary, keep your back straight to create the counterweight. Now the lady's perspective. So bend your left knee slightly, take a step to the side, rotating. Right knee is bent, left leg is straight, direct your hips forward and up, and tilt your upper body backward. Get back up. Let's show this from the opposite side as well. So, step with the right leg, right knee is bent, hips forward, tilt your upper body backward. Notice also that you need to straighten your arms during the dip or even slide them down along the men's arms. Make sure not to lean on the men too much, don't pull your partner with you, try to stay within your own balance as much as you can. Let's go back to our proper direction and we're going to count this part. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2.